Good day everyone and welcome back to Mommy Guide Inc. Today's video is about SheetLoad of Cards June 2024 edition. SheetLoad of Cards is created by Call Me Crafty Al and is released on a monthly basis. I have put in the description of this video all the links for you to be able to get the downloadable PDF and everything else in between. This is the awesome sketch for SheetLoad of Cards June 2024 edition. If you also want to create your own takes on this, absolutely you can. Just head on to the links that I have put in the description. And don't forget to put hashtag show us your SheetLoad and hashtag SUYSJUN 2024 when you do share your outputs. Following the SheetLoad of Cards June 2024 edition, you can create 8 awesome cards. I will be using a stamp set from Artful Angel called Cool Cat and various sentiments that I have heat foiled for today's projects. And since it's almost Father's Day, so these are actually somehow Father's Day themed cards. A Cool Cat stamp set from Artful Angel has this, kind of retro vibe and is just, perfect for Father's Day. All the papers that I'm using for today has already been pre-cut and pre-chosen based on the SheetLoad of Cards for June 2024. I've also, as mentioned, already heat foiled the sentiments and colored in the stamped images and fussy cut them as well. And so let's just put them all together. And here is the first set of cards. And this is the second set. And here it is once again, an overview of all of the 8 cards. Thank you again so much to Alicia of Call Me Crafty Al for this awesome sheet load of cards for June 2024. See you again next time for another video or live stream here at Mommy Guide Inc. I hope that you would consider subscribing if you are not yet subscribed. And again, thank you so much and see you on the next one. Have a great crafty day!